We have a lot of stuff to unbox today. Hey guys, what is up? Back with another video. I hope all of you guys are having a great and wonderful day. I'm feeling so good today because this is a video that I've been waiting for so long. I've had the want to do this for a long time, and I finally put together all the parts necessary for this. We have a $1,500, or maybe it's $1,200. I think I gave him $1,500 to spend mystery hypebeast sneaker unboxing. So let me fill you in. Basically what I did is I gave my friend Ryan I think I gave him $1,500. May have also been $1,200. I really have no idea. I gave him my money to spend. I was like, buy some shoes, don't buy ugly crap, buy stuff I could resell if I don't like it at all, and buy stuff you think I'd actually like. So that's what he did. He bought $1,500 Canadian dollars of stuff that he thinks I'm gonna like. That's around $1,000, maybe $1,100 US. I have no idea what they are. All I know is that they're all in my size and they're all sneakers. So I'm really excited to see this. Ben is going to be doing another one with me next week. So if you guys wanna see that, make sure to smash that like button and let me know that that is something that you want to see in the future. Before we get into the sneakers, I do have a clothing unboxing, or unbagging I guess, that I really want to take a look at. All this stuff is from Cousins brand. I'm going to leave their link right at the top of the description. They've sent me tons of stuff in the past, and they actually sponsored this video. They sent some jerseys. This one looks sick. This is like a Brazil jersey. Obviously the World Cup just happened. This looks very, very cool. Same color scheme as the Brazil kit. Big fan of this. Oh wow, they have the Brazil flag right there, which is pretty sick. Ooh, these look cool. I think they gave me some shorts, some basketball shorts, or some soccer shorts. Oh my goodness, these are sick with the white drawstrings and everything. So there's white stripes on the side and the Cousins brand logo right there. These things are these are awesome. They're thick, they feel like the real Mitchell & Ness NBA shorts. The waistband is super thick, the drawstring looks awesome. Woo! This is loud. Look at this, look at how, wow, look at the amount of logos that is on this thing. I don't know what these logos are supposed to be. I think it's just different logos that Cousins. This smells really good too. This is awesome. Like, this is really, really loud, and I don't know if I can personally pull this one off, except it's still sick. Lastly, it looks like we have another jersey. This one looks to be more of like a baseball jersey. Bang, it has a big M. I think that's an M, and then on the back it says Jefe, and then it has a big like, that is sick. Make sure you go check out Cousins brand if you like any of that stuff. They make great stuff and they're great people. I've met the owners of the brand several occasions. Really, really nice dudes. Now let's get into the sneakers. So I have no idea what is in these two boxes. He bought them from two different places. I think both of them were on eBay, and they came pretty much, I think one came a day before the other one, but they came pretty much at the same time. And I don't know what these are, and I'm really, really excited. There's $1,500 worth of stuff in between these two boxes, which is, oh, we got Yeezy boxes. I should say, before I see what's in here, the shoes I'd really like to see in some of these boxes are the Element React 87s, because those are sick and I didn't get them on release date. And then also those like white, black, and yellow European exclusive Jordan 1s, because those things are so freaking nice. And I don't live in Europe, so I wasn't able to get them, and I have not really paid resale for them yet. But these are, oh, so there's three pairs of shoes in here. One of them is just shoved in the corner. It's EQT pair of Boost right here. And these look really similar to a pair that I used to own that I sold. Little bit different. There's like a few variations. I'm not really sure when these came out or what the deal is with these. These are really stuck in there. But yeah, just nothing crazy hyped up. I assume these are probably worth, without a box, they look like they're new. The Boost is a little bit yellow on the bottom, but they look like they're new. You could probably get around $100 for these. So hopefully Ryan didn't pay too much for these. I'd say you could probably get around $100 Canadian for these, maybe 120. These are dope though. This is definitely something I'll be keeping. This is a good choice. Ryan knows I like this pair of shoes, at least I'm assuming he does. These are pretty cool. I hope there's better stuff in here though, because for 1,500 Canadian dollars, oh my goodness. Correction, I did look, it is $1,200. It's $1,200 that I gave him to spend. That's 500s. If these are the Supermoon yellow 500s, I have the tan ones and I have the black ones. And I think he knows that. So if these are the Super Moon or Super Moon Yellow or the Super Yellow ones, they're hideous. It's such a, it's the desert ones. Slightly better, I guess. I guess it's slightly better that they're the desert ones. We've seen these a million times before. They're cool. I don't know if I want a second pair of them. I bought 3 pairs originally, or 2 pairs originally, 3 pairs originally, and I sold 2 of them and I only have 1. But I guess I have 2 now. They're cool, it's a nice pair of shoes. I played basketball in them once, and they're actually not that bad at basketball. So Swaggy P was not totally crazy when he played basketball in them. I don't really need another pair though. This is one that I could probably sell. They do go for around 450 Canadian dollars. I think it looks like they've been like tried on, they're unlaced and crap, but they look like they're brand new. So hopefully this box gets better. Okay, last one in the box, another pair of Yeezys. This is a pair of Yeezy Boost 350. Much better. I prefer the 350s to the Actually, I don't even know if I prefer the 350s to the 500s because they're so overplayed, the 350s. Like there's a million colorways of them. I hope this is one of like the OG colorways. Like the copper stripe would be dope. The green stripe would be dope. The Beluga would be dope. The Beluga 2.0 would be dope. Even though I sold those, I'd be happy with those. Woo! Nice. Okay, this box got a whole lot. They're worn. Okay, this box got a whole lot better still though. I'm not complaining. We got another pair of Yeezy Zebras. This is something I have as well. These are in better condition than mine, like a lot better condition than mine. Mine is sort of thrashed. These don't seem to have any stains anywhere. They're just dirty on the bottom. So I give these like, I don't know how you guys rate sneakers out of 10, but I give these like an 8 out of 10. There's no stains anywhere on the upper. The upper still looks really, really white. Supply 350. There's just, the bottom's really gross and yellow. Way better condition than mine though. Mine has a big stain on the back. They're starting to get dirty. I wear my pair a lot. So this is probably going to be something that I keep. I'm gonna keep the EQTs. Probably gonna sell the Desert Rat 500s. This is gonna be something that I keep as well. Hopefully the next pair of shoes we have is something I actually don't own, because the last 2 have been shoes I already have, but I'm happy to have a second pair of these. I'm definitely not complaining. Okay, we have 1 box left. This sounds like it's probably just 1 pair of sneakers. Hopefully this is a good pair of sneakers. I'm guessing he probably spent like 340, 400, 80 bucks. We probably have like $400 worth of stuff in this pair of shoes right here. So this could be a nice pair of shoes. This could be a sick pair of Jordan 1s. This could be the Element React 87s. Something like that. I'm not really sure. Obviously, I have no idea what these are. I freaking love unboxings. It's like Christmas. It's like you just get to open up Christmas presents. I mean, I paid for them, but it's fun. Opening up stuff on camera is 10 times more fun than opening up stuff in real life. Ask anyone who does it. They will agree. Yes! We have a pair of Jordan 1s. Let's go. We have, I just scuffed up my wall. Crap. Okay, never mind, we're good. That's coming off. We have a pair of Jordan 1s. Please be the yellow ones. Please, 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 please be the yellow ones. The white, the black, the yellow. You guys know what I'm talking about. They came out in a pack of 4 with beige, navy, olive, navy, and red. I think. Moment of truth, moment of truth, moment of truth, moment of truth. Please be the yellow ones. Woo! Hold up. Oh, yo! They're not the yellow ones, but this is a pair of shoes I don't have and I really, 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 really want. I've wanted these for such a long time and I finally have them. This is the Gold Toe NRG or whatever they're called. It's the basic version of the Gold Toe, which is sick. I have the special complex con version of the Gold Toe, but I paid $900 for those and I was a complete idiot about it. And I don't want to wear them just randomly. These go for like 1/3 of the price and they're still just as dope in my humble opinion. I think these are awesome. I think these are really, really nice. Woo! I'm feeling a lot better. This is a sick 1,200 bucks. You got a lot of stuff for $1,200. You got Yeezy 500s, you got Zebras, you have these, and then what else is there? The Boost EQTs as well. That was the 4th pair of shoes, and some sick clothes from Cousins brand as well. I personally think this has been a really good mystery box. I've never done one of these before. If you want to see me get other friends or other sites or websites to just send me random stuff or different sneaker apps then let me know down in the comment section below and we can definitely do more of these. Besides the 500s, which I'm gonna sell because I don't need a second pair of those, I'm really happy with this unboxing and I think we got some dope stuff. So make sure to hit that like button, follow me on Instagram and Twitter at TomStefaniuk if you guys enjoy the content and want to see more on a daily basis. As always, love you guys from the bottom of my heart and I will see you very soon. Peace.